Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're running a growing WooCommerce store, you already know this. The more orders you get, the slower your store starts to feel. That's where ArchiveMaster comes in. Archiving means instead of deleting your old orders, it moves them out of your live database into a separate, secure location. But here's the big question. If the order data is moved, what about my analytics? If my orders are archived, won't my reports be incomplete? Well, not with ArchiveMaster. Today, I'll show you how to include your archived orders inside WooCommerce Analytics with just one simple toggle. And yes, it's that easy. First, go to ArchiveMaster inside your WordPress dashboard. Open Archive Options. Now look for this setting, Include Archived Orders Data in WooCommerce Analytics. Simply enable the toggle. Then click Save Settings, and that's it. You've just connected your archived data back to your analytics. Now go to WooCommerce/Analytics. Inside the Analytics section, you'll find the Archived Data Analytics option. Here you have three choices. Option 1, Exclude Archived Data. This option shows analytics from your current live WooCommerce orders only. Archived orders are not included. This is perfect if you only want to analyze active real-time performance. Option 2, Combine Archived and Current Orders Data. This option shows analytics from both active and archived orders. It gives you complete historical reporting. If you want full business insights, this is the best option. Option 3, Archived Data Only. This shows analytics from archived orders only. Your current live orders are excluded. This is useful if you want to analyze past performance separately without mixing it with current data. And that's a wrap. So now you don't have to choose between performance and insights. With ArchiveMaster, you get both. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more WooCommerce tips like this. See you in the next one.